What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making cookies sandwich with whipped cream, so you can call it cookies and cream. Before I get started, let me welcome you all to my channel. This is your passionate food lover and you're most welcome. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. So in the mixing bowl, I'm going to add a quarter cup of margarine. Now, I really had a problem with my margarine while I was baking. Like, the margarine was not margarine. Like, I was twisting it around, I was moving it around, was not moving. But I blame myself. Why use your hand when you have an electric mixer? Like, why was I still trying my best to use my hand? It wasn't margarine. I was like, let me add the sugar, it might work. Actually, I added a quarter cup of sugar and still things were not working. I didn't know what was wrong with my margarine, but I kept telling myself, do not use your mixer, just use your hand. It's going to come together, and child, it did not. This is what I had after adding the sugar in the margarine. I was like, what's wrong with my margarine today? I was like, let me just add the milk, probably it's going to work. I added a quarter cup of milk and it was not milking. I was like, gosh, at this point I should have used the hand mixer, but I was like, no, let me continue with my wooden spatula. I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla to it and then decided to straight away add my flour, which is 1 cup of flour, and then a quarter cup of powdered milk. At this point, adding everything together, my margarine came together. I didn't see the crumbs, so it was good for me. Like, I felt good at this point. I really did. Like I always say, I'm really appreciative of you all subscribing to my channel. God bless you all so much. But if you have not done so already, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So after mixing everything with my spatula, it was time for me to use my hand. So I moved it around a little bit to form a dough out of it so that I can be able to roll it out and then cut into my cookie shape. If you really love meat pie, I have the best meat pie recipe. I'll link it up here for you. Like, you would love it. It's how do you even say it? Is what's the word for meat pie? It's not crunchy. Meat pie is not flaky. Best flaky meat pie recipe you'd ever get. Trust me, like, you would love it. So at this point, I'm just rolling out my dough to be able to cut it out, and that's it. So after rolling it out, I'm going to use my cookie cutter, this round cookie cutter that I have. I'm just going into it and then cutting it to the desired shape. Because I'm just using one cookie cutter, I'm going to almost have the same size of cookies so that when I'm sandwiching them, one will not overlap the other. So yeah. So after cutting, this will go into the oven for at least 15 minutes, but if you want it a little brown or a little on the browner side, let it bake for about 20 minutes. And after that, my cookies were done. I know you can see the small patches. Those were the small dough that I couldn't throw away. Those also make good cookies, man. So I added them and then look at that. They came out so gorgeous, so good, and I like them. I love them. So I'm just going to let them rest so that they can cool down before sandwiching them. Yeah. I made my whipping cream from powder whipped cream. So if you want to know the recipe on how I made my whipping cream, I'll link it on up there for you so that you can watch that video. If you have really made it this far, please do all to give this video a thumbs up for me, and please do all to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for me. Thank you. So this is me sandwiching my cookies. At this point I was drooling, like I couldn't wait to taste it. But this is how it all came out, guys. It came out good, it came out perfect, and then I was proud of myself. Even though the margarine was giving me problems, I really enjoyed how it came out. So time for a taste, and then it was delicious, guys. Thank you all for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do well to subscribe to my channel because it helps me a lot. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for your girl. Thank you. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.